Today in this video we will learn about how to make an attractive horizontal pricing table in WordPress website. If you want to make an attractive horizontal pricing table in your WordPress website, then in that case log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to Add New under Plugin section. Now here on the top right corner, search for a new plugin that is Pricing Table. Now install this plugin that is Pricing Table by Supsystic. Finally activate it. Now go to Add New Table under Dashboard, which is given in this plugin. Now from here select a table or a template and give it a name. This table will be displayed on your website. Now from here you can customize your pricing and other details. You can also add column, rows or any other requirement that you would like to add. You can change the color, badge or any other settings. You can also change the link which redirects towards sign up. This will be your target link for your lead conversion. Now once you are done with the changes, click over Save. Now copy this short code which is generated and then now go to Add New under Pages section. If you want to display this table under a new page, you can create a new page and then paste this code over here. Now finally click over Publish. In this way, now if you visit your website from your front end, this pricing table will be visible.